My Shed Plans Review. Building shed never been this easy. One of the reasons that people are reluctant to build a shed on their own is that it needs skills. My Shed Plans come with a different platform to get rid of the stigma. It boasts that the shed plans included in the package will make it easier for you to build a shed, even if you don't have any woodworking experience before. Here is my Shed Plans review to give you a deeper look at what it is about. 1. Step-by-step and easy-to-follow guidance. Building a shed is easy with my Shed Plans since the package comes with complete instructions, step-by-step, and from A to Z details. Not only that, but the shed plans offered are also easy to follow. This will be helpful the most if the shed is your first time DIY project. There will be no chance that you have no idea what to do next. The instructions provided will guide you from the first step to the very last thing. 2. Complete list of materials. Aside from clear instructions, my Shed Plans also come with a complete material list. Every DIY project included in the plan has a specific list of materials. Not only materials, but the list also consists of the cutting and tools. They will also show you clear labels to tell you what the tool is used for. In this way, you will find out what materials you should prepare to get the project started. With the list provided, there will be nothing left or forgotten to buy once you go shopping in the Home Depot near your house. 3. Includes 12,000 shed plans. There will be around 12,000 shed plans you can find in my Shed Plans to get you inspired. The collection includes all shed types and styles. Also, the shed plan collections provided also cover projects with various sizes, from small to large. They are also completed with all components that you need to create a perfect shed plan. 4. Illustrated with colored photos and Lego-styled assembly constructions. Another thing that makes it easy to create a DIY shed project based on the instructions by my Shed Plans is that they are illustrated with colored photos. Not only make the pictures more interesting, but the colored illustrations will allow you to be sure that you are doing the instructions correctly. 5. Images with 3D CAD designs. The 3D CAD designed images provided by my Shed Plans will help you simplify your DIY project. They will make it possible for you to shed images from all angles, providing you with a complete perspective. In this way, you can get a clear picture of how each part of the shed is supposed to look before you start the project. My Shed Plans will provide you with all you need to create a DIY shed project. The package promises a clear, complete, and easy-to-use program that can be completed by anyone. With around 12,000 shed plan collections, you will not run out of option. Start building amazing sheds the easier way with a collection of 12,000 shed plans. Click the link below in the description to get the My Shed Plans program.